Hello and welcome. This is quick tip number 6. How you sound in your head is not how you sound to others. And this is very much similar to quick tip number 2 and even the last tip that we were talking about yesterday. So how you sound in your head is not how you sound to others. Now, if you've ever heard your voice on a recording and been surprised or like, oh, I don't like that, well, that's how you sound to others. That's what others hear. And that is why quick tip number 2, where I say to you to record your voice and listen to yourself, is really important so that you can hear how you sound to others. Now, and also when you put your hand over your ear or put your finger in your ear because you can't hear your voice, or you want to make sure you hit your pitch correctly, you got to remember the reason why you're doing that only is not to save your voice or to protect your voice from strain. It's also that thinking about what other people, what your listeners are going to hear. Yeah, so if you don't want your listeners to hear you. Nobody wants their listeners to hear them sing off pitch or to be screeching or to just have a really distracting tone, especially during worship. Nobody wants that. So how it's really important to recognize that how you sound in your head or to yourself, how you think you sound, is not how you sound to others. It's about acoustics. What you hear in your head is different. It's a different space, a different resonance, and what your listeners hear out of your mouth is completely different. It's a different acoustic, different resonance, different airspace, everything. So yeah, this is why you put your hand over your ear, and this is why you record yourself and listen. Take care. That's quick tip number 6. I'll see you in 7 very soon. Take care and God bless.